To find the propagation constant, we know that the formula set y r plus j omega l plus g plus j omega c. Please replace this formula. We replace by this number we above. We got this, and we already calculated from the above equation from the B for our characteristic impedance, and we replace this by this formula here. We already know, and then take this common. We know that 10 power 3 is equal 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 1, and take common this 2. You know that put here this 2 equal, take outside there. You know that square root of 2 equal 10 power minus 1, and 10 power minus 1 leave inside here, and into this number we get this 1, and 10 power minus 1 equals square root of, put here we use from this calculator again. Type these numbers first. Type 2 plus 50.65 shift I shift plus equal 50.304. We got 50.305, and this angle, for this angle we use this symbol I shift and then equal, we get 87.721, and for this one let's do the same. And for this one, into which this 50.305 multiply with 0.13153 equal, we get 7.697, and for this angle we must plus this, which plus when we plus we get 158.634, and take the square root of 7.697, we get 2.774, and for this is called, for the direction we divide by 2, we get 79.317, and multiply 10 power minus 1 which 2.774, we got 0.274, and this one leave like this. And to get back into this form, which goes to rectangular form, to get back into rectangular form, we use this calculator. Type 0.2774 shift angle 79.317, and shift minus equal, wait, sorry, and please type 0.2774 shift angle type 79.317 shift minus equal this 0.051, and for this imaginary part, this is called real part, and this imaginary part. To get this imaginary part, we use shift and then equal, we can 0.273. In here at calculator we can see I, this is I, we got from the back of this number, and we write in front, this is imaginary part. That's all. Thank you.